So for me, the biggest insights have been the tangible use of hands as an additional method to enhance what's going on in our minds and the potential to create new ideas. For me as an innovation facilitator, I love trying to bring out ideas from a group of people, and any methods I can use to enhance that and improve it is fantastic for me. And I think there's something really fundamentally natural about this method. Human beings evolved as animals to use our hands to build tools, and I think we've almost lost that in the digital age of looking at screens and using spreadsheets to come up with ideas. There's something about going back to basics as a human being, using our hands to help us combine with our minds to come up with the best outcomes. So for me, that's been a really powerful and insightful, almost like memory. I think it's the depth of the insights that this process brings out. It's amazing to see how a group of people that have never met each other, through very simple, basic exercises, express so much. It's almost like rapid therapy. Yeah, like the depth and the honesty and the rawness of what this process can bring out is very powerful. I think anyone could benefit from it because I think it's so tailorable. I can see this working on a one-to-one coaching perspective, therapy. I think it can work for teams, small teams that are trying to very strategically solve a specific problem. I think large teams looking to develop human skills such as team building, camaraderie, storytelling, whatever it may be, I think would get benefit from this as well. Because I met Leonid through a connection online on LinkedIn, I follow him and I've seen a lot of and spoken to him a lot about his process. As someone who's inherently keen to learn and improve myself, I felt that there was stuff that I could learn to improve myself through not only the Lego Serious Play method, but also Leon himself and the way he instructs. And that has been proven correct through the combination of the stuff I'm learning on the course plus Leon's delivery style and his evident expertise in this area. I feel like I've learned a lot in a short space of time.